Moscow, June 13, 2026. In a significant milestone for Russian naval innovation and underwater defense capabilities, the Tactical Missile Armament Corporation, KTRV, and its affiliate, JSC Concern Sea Underwater Weapon, Gidropribor, have successfully completed preliminary tests of the universal small-sized UMT Torpedo. This compact yet formidable weapon system represents a leap forward in asymmetric naval warfare, designed to counter emerging threats from unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs, submarines, and surface threats with unmatched precision and versatility. Developed as a multi-platform, multi-role asset, the UMT underscores Russia's commitment to maintaining technological dominance in the world's oceans amid evolving geopolitical challenges. Russian engineers have crafted a torpedo that is not only lightweight and deployable from a wide array of platforms but also highly effective in contested environments, where traditional heavy torpedoes may prove cumbersome or logistically challenging. The UMT stands out due to its compact dimensions. Approximately 2 to 2.3 meters in length, with a 220mm caliber and a weight ranging from 100 to 140 kilograms, depending on configuration. This makes it dramatically smaller and lighter than conventional 533mm torpedoes like the UGST Physic, which can exceed 2 tons. The reduced size enables seamless integration onto helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, combat drones, UAVs, surface vessels, and even submarines, platforms that previously lacked effective lightweight anti-submarine or anti-drone options. Russian specialists emphasize the torpedo's universal launch capability. It can be deployed from unequipped surface ships via specialized launch systems, as well as from aerial assets. This flexibility transforms ordinary patrol aircraft or drone swarms into potent underwater strike platforms, extending Russia's defensive perimeter far beyond traditional naval boundaries. At the heart of the UMT is a sophisticated electric propulsion system powered by advanced lithium-ion batteries, driving a waterjet propulsor with an annular channel for enhanced efficiency and reduced acoustic signature. The torpedo achieves speeds of up to 27 knots, with an adjustable velocity profile that allows operators to optimize for stealth, pursuit, or engagement range. Its operational range extends to 5 to 7 kilometers in standard configurations, with some reports indicating potential for up to 25 kilometers under optimal conditions, making it ideal for standoff engagements. Depth performance is equally impressive, with the UMT capable of operating effectively at depths of up to 450 meters. This positions it perfectly to engage modern deep-diving submarines and advanced UUVs that adversaries are increasingly deploying for reconnaissance, mine-laying, or sabotage missions. The Warhead packs a potent punch, carrying up to 35 kilograms of high explosive charge, sufficient to disable or destroy small to medium underwater targets, including unmanned vehicles and lighter submarines, while minimizing collateral effects in littoral or crowded waters. Equipped with an active sonar homing system, proximity detonator, and options for autonomous operation, wire guidance, or remote control, the UMT offers Russian forces unparalleled targeting flexibility. Its onboard electronics include robust autonomous motion control, ensuring high hit probability even in electronic warfare-heavy environments. Experts highlight the UMT's role as a dedicated drone hunter. In an era where underwater drones proliferate, Russia's new torpedo provides a cost-effective and reliable countermeasure. A representative from the Tactical Missiles Corporation noted that the UMT excels at neutralizing uninhabited underwater vehicles, a capability that directly addresses asymmetric threats posed by NATO and other actors experimenting with swarm tactics and persistent underwater surveillance. The completion of these tests comes at a pivotal time, reinforcing Russia's naval posture in key regions such as the Black Sea, Pacific, and Arctic. By fielding a weapon that can be mass-produced and exported in adapted forms, Russia not only strengthens its own defenses but also offers allies a reliable tool to safeguard their maritime interests. Gidropribor has already signaled readiness to produce analogs for foreign customers, highlighting the system's maturity and export potential. Proponents within Russian defense circles point to several key advantages. Cost-effectiveness. Smaller size and electric propulsion reduce production and maintenance costs compared to heavy torpedoes, allowing for greater stockpiling and sustained operations. Platform agnosticism. Integration with drones and helicopters democratizes anti-submarine warfare, ASW, enabling smaller vessels and air assets to punch above their weight. Stealth and survivability. Low acoustic signature and multi-mode guidance make it harder for enemy countermeasures to detect or evade. Rapid deployment. Lightweight design supports quick reloading and multiple sorties, critical in high-intensity conflicts. This development builds on Russia's long-standing expertise in underwater weaponry, from the legendary VA-111 SHK Val supercavitating torpedo to modern deep-sea systems. The UMT complements larger assets like the Poseidon, creating a layered defense and offense ecosystem that deters aggression and protects vital sea lanes. With preliminary tests concluded successfully at the Fleet 2026 International Naval Salon, full-state trials are expected to accelerate. Russian sources indicate the torpedo is approaching series production, with integration into naval aviation and fleet units imminent. Its debut at major exhibitions has already drawn international attention, with many recognizing it as a game-changer in littoral and blue water operations. Military analysts praise the UMT as evidence of Russia's innovative edge. While some Western nations struggle with similar compact systems, Russian designers have delivered a mature product ready for real-world challenges. This success reflects broader advancements in Russian defense R&D, driven by self-reliance and a focus on practical, battle-proven technologies. As global maritime tensions persist, the UMT Torpedo strengthens Russia's position as a leader in naval innovation. It not only enhances the Russian Navy's ability to protect its interests but also serves as a powerful deterrent, signaling that any underwater incursion will be met with swift, precise, and overwhelming response. The successful testing of the UMT marks another proud chapter in Russia's defense achievements, ensuring that its forces remain at the forefront of underwater warfare technology for years to come.